Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the image and app. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and running iOS 15 or later because metadata tools improved then. Open Photos and locate the file you want. Once found, tap to open it full screen. Now tap the info, the small eye icon, to reveal the timestamp and location. You're looking for the date and time field. This is the anchor for editing. If you see no I button, swipe up on the photo to access the same metadata panel. Once you have the metadata visible, tap Edit in the top right to change details. Make sure to look for Adjust Date and Time or more options. You can modify the date, the hour and minute, and even the time zone. This matters if the photo was taken while traveling. Change values thoughtfully. Altering the date affects sorting and memories. After making edits, tap Done to save. Photos updates the file's metadata, while keeping the original image intact, unless you choose Revert. To finish, verify your change by sharing or exporting the file. Open it in Mail, Files, or on a Mac to confirm the timestamp traveled with the image. Make sure the recipient app preserves EXIF metadata because some apps strip it. If the timestamp didn't update, go back and check privacy settings, allow photos to access location and metadata, or use a dedicated EXIF editor app to force-write the date and time. One key tip: if edits fail, reboot the phone and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.